It's been a long year. Actually, I think it's been more than a year. Anyways, I just hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. I know I haven't posted a video forever, but it's still much appreciated. I've been going through a lot. Oh man, life, life just like threw the biggest curveball in the history of baseball, I guess. For about over a year now, I've been struggling. I've been struggling really bad. Depression really taking a toll on me. It's been rough. But I mean, I don't feel like doing anything. You know what I'm saying? I just I go to work, I come home, I go to bed, and that's been about it for over a year now. So, I mean, yeah, I guess here's what's going on, kind of in a nutshell. I'm not going to get way into it because I don't want to get way into it. But Zoe's mother and I went our separate ways. That was, and still is, it's a battle. We don't see things eye to eye. It's hard, and I mean, obviously better this way, but we're kind of toxic together. So on the other hand, it's kind of hard. I think it's going to be hard maybe for Zoe, and it's hard for me. The hardest part for me is my child, Zoe. I mean, I went 4.5 years straight. It was me and Zoe, side by side. You couldn't separate us for nothing. To I only get to see my daughter every other weekend, and that kills me. I don't think it's right. I'm a father that was always in her life. I'm not just some deadbeat that ran off, you know. Anyways, I'm working on that. And I got a new significant other. We are going to get married soon. We live together. It's a bit chaotic, but I'm completely fine with that. Life's chaotic. There's nothing you can do about it except pick someone you like to enjoy the ride with. Let's see. Where am I at? I'm above my garage. This is going to be a future man cave, I suppose. It's above the garage. And I have a big garage downstairs. Love it. It needs some work, but it's getting there. I've been working on it pretty hardcore here lately, and it's getting there. Project 3000. Man. I got into an accident. It wasn't my fault. There was multiple lanes. I was in this lane. This guy was in the middle lane. This guy decided he wanted to go over here in the parking lot and just almost totaled the 3000. But luckily, by the grace of God, it didn't cost as much as they didn't total it. Unfortunately, a budget project car just turned into basically a full-on restoration. Therefore, the budget aspect of it, out the window. I mean, it happens, I guess. Unfortunately, for the 3000 GTs, you obviously can't buy new parts for it anymore. So it's a lot of custom work, kinda. on top of eBay, used fenders and bumpers and lights and stuff. And they're never the same color. But it's okay because the 3000 needed a paint job anyways. Anyways, I mean, that's basically what's been going on. I've been working. My job sucks. I hate my job. But it pays the bills. And, I mean, it's hard to find a job around here. It's hard to find a job around here that's not a minimum wage job. Let's put it that way. I mean, obviously I have to stick it through. I got child support I gotta pay now, on top of my own personal bills, on top of house payments, on top of utilities, on top of freaking everything. But, I mean, like I said, dude, that's life. That's life. I said it once before in an old video, quoted a line from Boy Meets World. Life's tough, get a helmet. I mean, that's basically what's been going on. I've been struggling real hard with depression, and I'm just now kind of finally getting out. Like I said, I only see Zoe every other weekend, so that's that puts a toll on me, and it's been like that for about almost a year now. And I mean, still to this day, it puts a toll on me. I get her for the weekend, and I really hate letting her go. Yeah, like I said, struggling with depression for over a year now, and just life, man, life. I'd like to get out of this funk, and I'm starting to really actually work on getting out of this funk, and it's starting to work a little bit. You know, things are looking up. Just like everything else, you know, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but that's still 1 step forward. You know, if you look at it in a positive point of view, that's still 1 step forward. So, I'm just trying to stay positive at this point. And I'm going to try to make more videos. Like I said, with Project 3000, it's now a full-on restoration project. I might post videos about it. I might post videos of stuff that I'm doing. But I think for the most part, I'm going to make that more of a Instagram build. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, Skippy Race Car 27, build project will be on there for Project 3000. I'm going to try to get back into editing and try to, just like I said, try to get out of this funk, man. And maybe making videos again will really help me out there. Because, I mean, I have fun making videos. And now that I have 1,000 subscribers, I got to make some content. I don't know how I got 1,000 subscribers when I haven't even posted a video in over a year now. And the last video I posted was about carpet lows. But yeah, I mean, I'm working on it. I'm working on myself. I'm working on getting back up on my feet, and I'm working on getting my mind straight again. And I mean, 99.9% of you know that's a process that you really can't take shortcuts. You really can't take it lightly. You have to do you. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing me. I'm trying to get out of this. Okay? So, I mean, yeah, you can expect more videos in the future. Like I said, I mean, I'll try to make videos as often as I can. But as of right now, you know, I'm working on myself. I need to get myself straightened out. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you if you're still subscribed to me. Thanks. And I'll see you next time.